سلام دوستان عزیز، سجاد شریفیانم. بریم مکالمه های روزانه در مورد مهارت عملی یا کاربردی رو یاد بگیریم.
هیچی نگین. سکوت.
What practical skills have you learned?
Cooking is a practical skill that I have practiced recently.
Who taught you that skill?
My mom is the best cook. She taught me everything about how to make soup, salad, omelette, cake, and etc.
How did you learn it?
She shows me how to buy food, prepare ingredients, and cook meals whenever she's in the kitchen. I learned how to boil, grill, steam, fry, braise, etc. day by day.
Why did you learn it?
I just want to be a good cook like my mom when I get married. I will prepare the best dishes for my husband. حالا اینجا میتونه هر چیز دیگه باشه. Husband, wife, children، هر چیز دیگه. حالا اینجا به عنوان مثال نفر دوم خانم بوده. بریم برای ادامه.
How long did it take for you to learn it?
I learned it in 4 years. The skill seems to be strengthened when I lived apart from my family for studying.
How often do you use this skill?
I cook every day. I also love homemade food.
نه اصلا فکرشو نکن.
دقیقا منم الان همینجوریم. I cook every day.
How has this skill helped you?
It makes me more confident whenever I go on a picnic outside. I'm always responsible for the BBQ.
Do people in your family know this skill too?
My younger sister knows how to cook too. She just started learning.
Do all skills need learning?
Yes, they do. Practice makes perfect.
How is this skill important to you?
It's an essential life skill. All women need to know this to keep their family warm and happy. حالا اینجا میتونه من باشه، هر چیز دیگه بشه. اینجا توی این مکالمه ما نظرمون در مورد خانم ها بوده که شخص مورد نظر خانم هست. حالا من صحبت کردم ولی شخص مورد نظر خانمه. امیدوارم که خوب یادش گرفته باشید. اگه میخواین که مکالمه انگلیسی رو حرفه‌ای و عالی یاد بگیرید، پکیج مکالمه رو بهتون پیشنهاد میدم و برای آموزش بیشتر سایت راست زبان .com رو از دست ندید.